A sinking fund is a simple way to save for future expenses before they actually happen. Let's look at how they work. Think of this as a proactive strategy for your budget. It turns large, unpredictable costs into manageable monthly savings goals. By breaking down a large annual bill into monthly chunks, you avoid needing a lump sum of cash later on. People use these funds for predictable but non-monthly bills. It helps keep your regular checking account stable throughout the year. While both involve saving, a sinking fund is for things you know are coming. An emergency fund is for what you hope never happens. This chart shows how small, consistent contributions build up over time, ensuring you have the cash on hand when the bill arrives. Treat your sinking fund like any other monthly bill. It is the most effective way to protect your long-term financial health. Start small and pick one expense to start saving for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.